Hey, if you're under 3 million ARR, your comp plan is either a filter for A players or it's a reason you can't find any.
Most founders are just guessing on the math, and it's causing their hiring funnel to collapse before they even get to the second interview. So, today we're going to give you the clinical roadmap to fix it.
Problem is that most founders try to solve hiring by finding a discount rather than building the right structure. You need a comp plan that aligns with your specific stage of growth.
When you base your comp plan on a guess, you create three structural failures that will drive away top talent before you even get them to the second interview. We're going to audit those failures today and give you the exact standard we use to bridge that gap.
Exactly, Travis. So let's get started. Failure one is the upside gap. This is the founder who pays way below market based salary because they think a real A player should only care about commission.
That's the cheap hire tax. You save 20 grand on base, but you filtered out the reps who can actually hit quota and you've kept the one who can't. A players don't take unproven bets. They want a floor so they can build your ceiling.
Exactly. Okay, so failure two is the broken math OTE. You post a big number, but your average deal size and sales cycle make that math impossible to hit.
Smart reps are going to audit your quota while they're still talking to you. If the math doesn't add up, they're just going to disengage. The only candidates who are going to move forward are the ones who never ran the numbers, and that's not who you want to talk to anyway.
And failure three is the day one quota. You expect a full return by Friday, but even in fast cycles, a new AE needs time to learn the motion.
Exactly, Angie. If you force a full quota on day one, even with that short sales cycle, your reps are going to start cutting corners just to survive. What you need is a tiered ramp so they actually learn how to sell your product correctly.
Here is a clinical fix.
You need balance, so enough base to attract a professional, enough variable to demand performance. If you're under 3 million ARR, your first AE's OTE should be a 50-50 base and variable. That is the standard.
Right. And month one would be full base, month two, base plus 50% commission, and month three, full quota.
That aligns pay with reality.
And set your accelerator at 100% of quota. You want them to taste the win early. Once that first real check hits, guess what? They'll run through a wall for you.
And if the math doesn't work on paper, it won't work in your bank account. So stop guessing and start using a comp plan that forces the rep to prove that they can deliver the math.